Got me a new steering wheel in my truck. Horn works now. That's out of a late 80s, early 90s S10. I bought it at a yard sale like 3 years ago. And I originally had it in my Camaro, and then when I got rid of the Camaro, I kept the steering wheel. Now, I'm about to go destroy a lawnmower, which is parked way over there. Hi, I'm Stuart Woody, and this is the tractor pull.
He ripped the wheel off the lawnmower.
This lawnmower can go straight to hell.
He ripped the wheel off the fucking lawnmower.
Did it hit that pole?
I don't know. I just saw it bounce all of a sudden.
All I know was I look in the mirror and the thing's airborne, missing a wheel.
I wish I could have run down here just a little bit faster so I could have seen that. This time, it stayed connected.
I don't think it even broke the axle or bent. It sheared off the clip, is all it did. It didn't even break anything.
Oh. That was the tractor pull.